Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing one clear topic and goal. This focuses every decision that follows. Once chosen, get your phone or camera, mic, and tripod ready and position a light source so your face is evenly lit. Then outline 3 parts: a 5-10 second hook, 2 or 3 value sections, and a concise call to action. Make sure to script key lines and time each section. This first loop gets you into recording quickly and avoids aimless takes. You now record methodically. Film each outlined section as separate takes, keeping clips around 1 to 2 minutes to stay focused and easy to edit. While speaking, maintain the 16:9 framing with consistent headroom and place a lapel or shotgun mic 6 to 12 inches away for clean audio. Once done with primary takes, capture B-roll, cutaways, and any screen recordings that illustrate your points. These will cover roughly 20 to 40% of your final runtime and make edits seamless. You finish by editing for clarity and pace. Remove long pauses, tighten sentences, and drop in B-roll during transitions so the story flows. Then export as MP4 using H.264 at 1080p and 30 fps, include captions, and craft a thumbnail with readable text. Finally, publish with a clear title, 2 to 3 tags, and a short description that contains your CTA in the first 1 to 2 lines. If audio or sync issues appear, resync tracks using.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.